A human being actually cannot always be considered to be either absolutely good or entire evil, because nothing or no one in this world is always the composition of all good or all evil, because everyone is essentially not only different from each other or given bestowed with different talents, skills, capacities, faculties, with different wiring, manufacturing, and also with different understanding, psychological structure, obviously for the actualization of different ambitions, aims into their lives, so that the world always receives something unique, different, distinct from everyone that it has ever created and known and come into existence in one or another, so that the world is always elevated, so that because of our achievements, ambitions, qualities, faculties, talents, we are able to provide the world with elevation and cause enhancement of humanity, understanding humility, and bring about improvement, transformation towards everything and everyone in one or another. But then again, the human being cannot be considered to be everything, neither absolutely good nor absolutely or entirely evil, because he is the unconditional mixture and the inevitable paradox and dichotomy between basically being good and evil at the same time. So we are good and bad, right and wrong, fair and unfair, light and dark in our psyche, in our conscience, that obviously gets translated and reflected also in our behaviors, actions, habits, ambitions at every step of the way. There is this strange dichotomy of always being either bad or wrong, and obviously we have the capacity not only for all the possible, imaginable, thinkable goods as well as the achievements in the world, such as truthfulness, authenticity, humility, but we have the capability for all the unimaginable, unthinkable, unfathomable evils, vices, malices, and malignant behavior as well, which we have already demonstrated in our wars, famines, and the kind of corruption, violence, hurt, that we have brought about in this world and caused committed against each other despite our humanity. So the human being certainly is not everything, because he is a transitional animal. He is not the everything in reality, because reality and space time are far bigger, greater than we have ever understood, thought, or known them or about to be, because we don't even know the 10% of reality, just as we don't know everything about the universe. But then again, we believe that reality does not exist, but that only we exist alongside our inventions and mind. But reality very much is an independent, sovereign reality alongside time that does not need any principle or man made creation or freedom to run it or to run for it. So obviously, there are much more things to come, to evolve, to come into existence after the human being.